I will tell you how to show COD only for the orders between 500 to 10,000. As you can see, I have already made this rule. You can see the total is 3,988 and COD is visible. If the total is more than 10,000, then COD will not be visible. I will show you in this video. Now we will add more products to the cart and we'll proceed to the checkout. So here you can see cash on delivery is not available. Only pre-bid options are available because the total is more than 10,000. So in this video, I will tell you how to set this up. So for this, I have used the advanced cash on delivery app. You can also install the same app from Shopify App Store. I have also attached the link of this app in the description box. You can check it out. Once installed, then click on Advanced Cash on Delivery app, then Limit COD based on Cart Configure button. Then you need to select your payment method, that is cash on delivery. If you have already added fee for cash on delivery in your Shopify settings, then you need to toggle on this button and you need to select your delivery method. We don't have any fee for cash on delivery, so I'm toggling off this button and change the status to enabled and add minimum amount as 500 and maximum amount 10,000 and save your changes. Now we will test this on our online store. Add products to the cart which are less than 10,000. So here you can see cash on delivery is available. Now we will add products to the cart for more than 10,000. So here you can see only pre-bid options are available. So that's it. You have successfully set up how to show COD only for the orders between 500 to 10,000. If you like this video, then do like, share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching and happy selling.